So today guys we are going to draw the most controversial Minecraft war, or we can say tough war, which is known as grass versus mycelium. And today we are going to draw the mycelium resistance. So let's get started. So first I started with Grian, the mother spore and the leader of the mycelium resistance, and I gave him the pose like he's telling some information or guiding something to the other members of the resistance. Now one of my favorite character, which is Ethos Lab, and is the most fun part in this drawing to draw because he wears skin like Kakashi Hatake from Naruto, and I love anime, so yeah, is the most fun thing to draw. Then it's come Randigity Dog, and he giving pose like means the conversation has already started and he's late and he popped between Etho and Impulse. So yeah, that's the pose of Rendog. For Impulse, there is a funny pose here because I showed him the annoying look, means he is giving annoyance towards the Rendog because he pushed Impulse away and popped between the conversation. Now it's comes Stress Monster 101, and for her, I put a large flower in her head. And yeah, now it's come Javin, and this one is also most fun part to draw. His face is like a slime, so I made it wibbly wobbly, not a square look. Then it comes XB crafted, and I also made his original skin, but I gave him a little thick beard on his face. Now we will do inking. Our rough sketch is done. And to give more fine look, we are going to ink this drawing. inking is finally done, and I guess it's looking pretty good. And for coloring, I decided to do traditional coloring, not digital. But I later regret it because traditional coloring is much time consuming than the digital one, and digital one is also a lot easier, and I can have whichever color I want. And sorry, for traditional coloring I have limited access to colors. So guys, coloring is finally done, and I'm think it's looking pretty good, but I thought it would look better in digital art. But there is still a thing left in this, and that thing is my signature. So let's do it. And if any of the people from Hermitcraft is watching this, please give a comment and tell me how it was. And in next video I am going to draw hip, HEP, Hermitcraft environmental protection members. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share among all the people, and show your love. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.